Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Sunday and I hope you're all having a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Well, I see Joy Sunday kits. Get them out of the bag. All right. These two kits come from DiamondArtDecor. If they have any specials or discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's get on to the first one. And it is 42 by 42, $12.59. And let me get it out of its Joy Sunday bag. All right. This one is called Four Little Kittens. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, they look better at a distance than they do up close. They're going to have some back stitching. But yeah, I thought it was quite cute. And it's a new one by Joy Sunday, so why not, right? Look at that cat. Look at all that back stitching. It's 190 by 190 in stitches. Do we have two sets of... Yep, we do. So you have two sets of numbers. You have this one, which belongs to the canvas, and this one, it belongs to the paper pattern, and this one belongs to the canvas. We have full stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. I don't see any French knots anywhere. Let's see, in colors, we have 310 black. We have that 3799, which is that charcoal color, and we're using B5200 for the white. So yeah, but nice big pattern. It is separated into 6 different sections, as you can see here, but a lot of back stitching in the cats, not so much the background. The background has a little bit where you see these going in opposite directions. Those are all half cross stitch there, and like shadows, if you will. There must be something there. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. Maybe a table with a plant, but all that base is back stitch. And let me look. The bottom, I'm not seeing much as far as like part of the table being back stitched, so maybe just up there in the that there's only 3 colors that are half cross stitch, so might be mixed in, but not seeing much of it. Let's take a look at those gorgeous colors. We have browns, golds, reds, not reds, like a rustish color. There's your 3799, 2 needles, good thread card. Total of 30 colors. There's your black, nice mocha color. Kind of orange, you know, leaning towards an orange, but there isn't a bright, vivid orange. So that's good. Because sometimes they get carried away with that bright orange. I am not real thrilled with it. So there's a little purple, a little bit of blue. What's the red? Oh, 3777 for the red, which is a brick red right here. It looks like 221 to me, or 498. Let's take a look at the canvas. I got to figure out which direction it goes now. It is a partial because you don't have to do all the way from corner to corner. Not seeing any half cross stitch at the bottom. Most of it is right up here in this corner, so I don't know if they've got all 3 in there. And it looks kind of blobby, if you will, only because there's no back stitching on it, but that will change, you know, once you start to find the cats and their fur and their face. Okay, let's see, it is 42 centimeters or 16.5 inches by 43 centimeters or 17 inches. Actual is 25 centimeters or 13 3/4 inches by 13, little over 13.5 inches or 34.5 centimeters. So not too big, not too small. It's got nice big areas. The back stitch, the devil will be in the back stitch, believe me. But it will bring everything out. But other than that, it's not confettied at all. So, very nice. I did like this. Did like it. Alright, now this next one, you're going to notice that it was familiar. Yeah, I just can't help myself this month, or any month, you know, that I have to make orders because, yeah, my brain, nope. I like something, so, yeah. That's your warning. And, of course, it's Winter Villa. Yep. This is 43 by 42, $7.99. I think it is a gorgeous, gorgeous kit. I just absolutely love it. And it's very nice to stitch on. Does have a lot of back stitching in the buildings, a little bit in the trees here and there, some of the grass, but mainly the house. As you can see, everything's gone around. I was looking to see if there was any back stitching in the wreath or the Christmas tree. It does have a total of 47 colors. You have full stitch, half stitch, French knot, and back stitch in this. The French knots, there's only 2 of them, and only 4 in back stitch, but you have some half cross stitch, kind of more the shadows or like around the edges. This is another partial. It has 2 sets of numbers. This set goes to the paper pattern. This one goes to the canvas. But yeah, it is just full of back stitch. Yeah. And the trees. Oh yeah, did I mention the trees? Ugh, holy crap. Yeah, it's going to be a mess. We'll take a look at the colors. It does come on the good thread card. And they use B5200 and 3865 and 66 for the white. Undo that. Beautiful blues in various shades. You have 817, which is kind of a reddish orange. It's half and half, if you will. But we have browns, tans, beautiful colors. There's some more blues, greens, kind of burnt orange shades, kind of a rustish brown. Here's your 310 black. Beautiful, beautiful colors in this. I just absolutely love this kit. And for $7.99, you can't beat that. I just love it. Look, big, huge key runs all the way around. And I've got it upside down again. And it is square, but just absolutely stunning. Just a stunning canvas, very well made, nice, vivid. I'm sorry, I got it at an angle. But very clear, very easy to see. Just beautiful. This is my new Christmas favorite. I've got to move my little card from Jane. It fell down. Let's measure it. It is 194 by 189 stitches, serged all the way around. Both of them were. This is 43 centimeters or 17 inches by 42.5 centimeters or 16 3/4 inches. The actual size is 34.5 centimeters or a little over 13.5 inches. And this way is 35 centimeters or 13 3/4 inches. Excuse me. The background of the sky is all done in half cross stitch. So where you see that green, yellow, and orange color, that's all half cross stitch. There's some that comes down this side as well. But when you get down here, a little bit just on the edge is half cross stitch. The rest of this right in here is all full cross. But beautiful, beautiful kit. I just absolutely love it. Thank you, Diamond Art Decor, for those two gorgeous kits. Love them both. And Diamond Art Decor has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They always have great prices and a wide selection. There's always something for everybody. So do check them out. Thank you for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.